Yeah, hi everyone. Today I talk about the database commands in Automation Anywhere, right? So here we can use select command, insert, delete, update. And let me show you how to do that in Automation Anywhere. So we have already opened Automation Anywhere tool and we have already opened database server. SQL Server, right? So first we have to take activity under database. We have five activity like connect, disconnect, SQL query, insert, update, delete, and run, store, procedure. So first we have to take connection, and here we have to set session name as a test. Not required, you have to choose, depends upon your requirement. You have to choose session name. It's not required to take test only. And here we have to click connection string, and here we will choose Microsoft OLD provided for SQL Server, and we have to click next. After, we have to click here use window anti integrated security, right? And here we have to select property, and from here we have to choose server name, and we have to paste it here. So after that, we have to select the database in the server, whatever we have. We will create database in that part in database. So for that we have to choose Jha Corporation. Actually, my all data is in Jha Corporation data. So that's why I will choose Jha Corporation. And here we have to check test connection. So here we get message test connection succeed. Okay. And we have to click OK button, and we have to save it. After that, we have to take one query from database, and we have to write query like SQL query, right? So here we have to write select star from TB L E M P L O Y, because my database name is table employee, right? That's why we have I have to take table employee, select a start from table employee. And here we have to set path. If you want data in a CSV file, you have to keep there. So for that, I have to choose one export data to CSV, and I have already one created CSV file in my folder. So I have to choose this one, database, and open. And simply we have to save it, right? After that, we have to close. We have to use activity called disconnect, and just save it. And we will run the program. Yeah, execution is completed. Let me show you whatever data we get in database. So here this folder is there. So yeah, in my database I have four data: Risham, Maksud, Vikas, and Krishna. And we have date of birth, email ID, and salary. Right. So here we get all the data. So next we have to do insert part. So yeah, here we get all the data, whatever we data get in Excel file. So in Excel file, we already get four data: Risham, Maksud, Vikas, Krishna, and here also we get four data. So after that, we have to insert the data in data table. So for that, we have to write query insert into table employee values 5 Shalini date of birth 1996 month 8 and the date is 19 T 18 09 45. After that we have to mention email ID like salani.jha @gmail.com. And the salary is 45,000. After that we have to close this and select the copy, and once we execute this query, so here we already get message one dot affected complete time. So same thing, we have to keep data in. Right now we take insert, update, delete. So here no need to take SQL query, and here I will select all and paste and save it and run this. So here we get error due to we already created one data which is in database. So for that first we have to delete the data. So right now I have delete the data, and for delete we have to use delete from table imply where id equal to 5 and save it. Yeah, so right now we delete the data, so hope will execute this one. And we didn't get data whatever we insert data in database. So now I will insert the data. So for that we have to copy and paste it, save. Yeah, so now we get data whatever data we insert. So let me check. Yeah, here we get a data Shalini, date of birth, email id and salary. So and hope we get data in excel file also. So here our database csv file and let me check what we data we get. So now here in excel file we didn't update. Let me check why we do not get data. Okay, so here we will not take csv file because in first we have to take csv file in sql query. On sql query we have to get the activity like csv, but in inside of the delete there is no option. If you want data in csv file, again you have to take sql query, and here you can take all the data in csv file. So we have already completed select, insert, delete, and last thing is update. So suppose here suppose here we get data like Shalini and the date of birth and the email ID and salary. So if we want to change the data, like if you want to update the data like name, either date of birth, email ID and salary. So for that, for updated purpose we have to use updated, and here we have to use um, update table imply imply set emp name equal to Sakshi, right? Here IDE equal to 5 and save it and run this. So hope the data will updated. Yeah. So right now we get data from Sakshi to Salini to Sakshi, right? So here we can complete, select, insert, delete, update. So thank you guys. Thank you very much.